At 35 inches a minute, the chips are coming off a little warm. The finish here is not that great, but it's only partially because of the feed rate. We also have a very square edge on the carbide tip of the cutter. That's not helping. We're taking a 10,000th depth of cut. The plate you see is 2 inches thick. On this 3.5 inch wide bar, we have dropped the feed rate down from 35 inches a minute to 10 inches a minute. In addition, we've put a slight radius, about 50 thousandths of an inch, on the cutter. The net result is a much smoother finish. Also take note, as we drop off the edge here, there's really no change in the cut. Speed and feed of this cut is identical to the previous one. We're just dropping from 10,000th depth of cut to 25. Taking away a little more material, things are still running very nice, and still a very good surface finish. At 50,000 depths of the cut, the surface finish is degraded just a bit. As we zoom back, you can see the material flying off here. We're getting into a significant volumetric rate of metal removal. At 75 thousandths of an inch for depth of cut, we've had to slow down the feed rate. Here we're going 5 inches per minute. It's also gotten a little bit louder. Here we're running at 84 decibels. Not loud, but certainly louder than before. This is a larger fly cutter, set to 3.7 inches in width, going over a 3.5 inch wide bar. It's only 5 thousandths of an inch depth of cut, 10 inches a minute, and producing a very nice finish. As we finish the cut here, we'll keep the camera on as we go back take a look at the reflection in the surface of the finish.